Hola, let's have a look at this Module 6 translation activity where we've got the English text and a Spanish equivalent with some mistakes on the verbs. Your task is to spot what the mistakes are and correct them. So feel free to pause the video and see if you can write the correct version of this, and then we'll talk through the answers. Okay, let's talk through. So we've got first sentence. Normally, many tourists visit my city. It says here, normalmente muchos turistas visitan mi ciudad. So the mistake is the verb visita, meaning it, he, she, or it visits, but it's many tourists, so it should be the they visit form. So we want to add an N on the end of that to get it to visitan, for they visit. Many tourists visit. Okay, next sentence. It is clean and it is near the coast. So here we've got es limpia y estamos cerca de la costa. So the big mistake there is that the verb says we are near, estamos cerca, but it should be it is near. So therefore we want to change estamos to está, E-S-T-A with an accent, está cerca de la costa. I notice also with the it is clean, normally that would be using the verb está limpia rather than es limpia. It's a smaller mistake, but and it may not show up in the answers. It's not one of the 8 verbs we're looking for, but strictly we would say está limpia rather than es limpia. Okay, the streets are safe and the shops almost never shut. So we've got, in the text it says las calles es seguras y las tiendas casi nunca cierro. So it should be the streets are safe, whereas in the text we've got here, the Spanish, it says las calles es seguras, meaning the streets is safe. So we need to change es to son, S-O-N, son seguras. And also where it says in the next verb, cierro, meaning I shut, we want they shut because it's talking about the shops. So it should be cierran, C-I-E R-R-A-N, swap the O for an A-N. Okay, carry on from there. Before there used to be more crimes. Spanish says, antes habían más delitos. So there used to be more crimes. Let's have a look at what it's given us here as the response. Notice it mentions había there. So that is an example where even though it's crimes in the plural, but there used to be just stays as había, whether it's masculine or plural. So you don't need the N. Then the last time I went shopping, I bought these trousers. So we've got la última vez que fuimos de compras. So in the Spanish, we've got fuimos, meaning we went, but it should be I went, so therefore we need to get rid of the MOS and change fuimos to fui. Then we've got in the Spanish text here, compro estos pantalones, meaning I buy these trousers. It should be I bought, so we need to swap the O for an E with an accent. Compré estos pantalones is what we want. Okay, last sentence. Last weekend, I think I will visit the castle. It says here, el fin de semana que viene, pienso que iré a visitar el castillo. So, forming the future, I will visit, instead of I will go to visit, iré a visitar, we simply want visitaremos. Sorry, not visitaremos, we want it in the I form, visitaré. So we just want to swap the iré a for an E with an accent at the end of visitar. Visitaré, meaning I will visit. I'll just show you the responses so you can have a look at those to compare it to your version that you wrote if you've got it written down.